So on Sunday morning, I put up my YouTube video, which was all about my 80 Series Landcruiser that's breaking in half. What am I going to do? And I asked you guys. Well, it's Monday morning, and I think I've got a solution. So in this video, we're going on an adventure. Here at Mad Matt 4 Drive, I'm all about educating and building the four-wheel drive community so we can wheel well. So I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you can get all my notifications. So it's Monday morning and I get up and there's a message from a guy called Patrick saying, I think I know where there's a solution for you, ring me mate. So I ring him up and we have a chat and we do a deal. And then I ring me mate Milo, who's got an international truck that goes rather quick, and I say, would you like to go for a drive? And he's like, yeah, sure. So we're actually going for quite a big drive on the spur of the moment, and it's going to be quite an adventure. So, you going to come? Come on. Too many tools in there. So we hit the road, and it was awesome. We saw some sheep, and we saw some cows out there in the paddocks. And we had to get to Melbourne, which for us was about 9 hours of driving, so we were going to drive off into the dark. But you know what was the most fun? Was the power! Yeah! I had a good run so far. Got about another 290 k's to go. So Milo did about 300k in the seat. And then he gave me a run, so I've run the last 250k. I tell you what though, it's good fun running this old girl. Like when I say power, like she really does go like a scalded cat. Regularly the truckies call us up on the CB and say, what do you got in that? As you're overtaking them going uphill at 110, you know. And one of the fellas today, he's like, calls out to his mate and he's like, check out the old Inter. It's carrying a big payload. And we had that's what we had on the back. A bit of a laugh anyway. All right, so we're gonna have a quick pee, wash the windscreen, and we're gonna hit the road again. All right, so it's 10:30 at night. We're about 5 minutes from old mate's place. Halfway there. And there she is, a 1997 80 Series Landcruiser. And that means that it's got the upgraded tow rating of 3,500 kilos, so I can tow the race car. Do a walk around in the morning, but anyway, we'll go and load her up and head on home now. Well, 24 hours ago we left. 24 hours later, here we are, we're back. We did 1,950 kilometres or thereabouts. We burned 600 litres of fuel in the truck and had a whole heap of fun doing that. And there's my new 80 Series. So it cost me 1,500 bucks and 600 bucks worth of fuel. So I'm in the can 2,200 bucks. For an 80 Series that's pretty much straight. It's got pretty much never been off-road from what I can see. It's basically a grandpa spec, but it has a problem, but that's easy to fix. So come around here and I'll show you some of the story. Okay, so the seat is pretty well stuffed, the back is stuffed, it's got 390,000 Ks on it. The interior, I don't think old mate ever cleaned it. It's absolutely filthy, but it's cleanable. So, you know, a little bit of TLC, we can tidy that up. It's still got the original stereo in it, but that's all just physical work, you know, tidying stuff up. The paint work is just filthy because it sat in old mate's car shed for 6 months since an exhaust valve burnt out. Well, that's my diagnosis. So she's missing there. Other than that, inside here it's pretty clean. No dual battery system. It's got a cruise control system, whether that works or not. It's got LPG, the old Venturi LPG system on it. I'm going to bin that. I think I'm going to go straight fuel. The bull bar's completely stuffed. Don't know what he hit. You know, it's got this little ding here, but I mean, you can change the door if I want to worry about that. And I have got some spare doors in white. We've got rust in here. Again, I've got a spare tailgate, so I'm not too worried about that. It's in white, so that'll just bolt straight on. It sort of spins my mind in a sense. You know, 2 days ago, I put that video up of what am I going to do next. Now, I was kind of leaning towards the body swap idea. This was not really the way I was thinking of it. Now I'm basically going to take all of my stuff off the old 80, put all the good gear in here. So that'll be diffs. I'll just do hub to hub, swap them straight out, swap all this gear back onto my old girl and flog my old girl off and just get some money back, you know. All of you guys put so many comments in saying this is the way I should go. Buy an 80, swap my good gear into this, and away we go. And that's how it's panned out. So anyway, a build is coming up. Until then, stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you can get all those notifications. I'm Mad Matt. Stay safe on the trails.